Hey there, Miss Gail. Look what came in today, first thing in the morning. I'm in awe. I'm like, wow, I can't thank you enough for helping me with the monumental task of processing the 876 document for my passport service. Your attention to detail, incredible efficiency, and tireless effort made this daunting process feel effortless. I am truly blown away by the dedication and care you put into each step with helping me. I just want to thank you for your amazing support. I'm now one step closer to my goal, and I couldn't have done it without you. I am genuinely grateful for everything you have done. Thank you in a million times over. With my gratitude. Thank you, 876. Guys, please check out 876 if you have.